Hey guys, how's it going? Ramus Master Box. Today will be the very first edition of World of Warships. Now, if you've never heard about this game, it's by the same creators of World of Tanks. It's pretty much using old vehicles from the Second World War and using it in combat to get somewhat of a better understanding of how the vehicles worked. So we got the start, and this is my very first time playing it. So we got here tanks, the Erie, Orlan, Hashide, and Hermlin. See, got any others? We only got 4 ships apparently, so these are the starters. Let's go with the American ship, and let's get into battle. So yeah, this is a free game if you're wondering, so if you want to play this for yourself. Excuse me, don't worry, I'll be leaving the link into this game. Just want to get that out of the way real quick. Oh wow. Oh, this actually looks really cool. Wow. Alright. Destroy all enemy ships or capture the base. Scoring points, capturing 1,000, holding +2 every 6 seconds. Destroying enemies, 45, 40, 35, 30. And losing ally ships, -. Ah! So this is a new one. Fight enemy destroyers and cruisers. Provide artillery support and protect allies with anti-aircraft fire. Ah. With team members real quick. Let's see. I'm right there. I'm not the only one with the Erie. We're all level 1, so we're just starting out. So I'm Erie, Hermlin, Hashide, Orlan. Oh, this is new.
Starts.
This is actually new. So the battle's about to start actually, and thankfully it looks like we're all level 1. So. Alright, let's see. Max 1 out 2. Let's see.
Enemy force detected.
Okay, that does not look too good. Oh. Oh wow, okay, so there's our sheep. Enemy coming from right there. music. Come on. Alright, let's see. Victory. Received 5,833 silver, 134 stars. Battle performance, 284 damage. We got 2 target hits. 1 destroyed. Alright, let's get back to the port. Alright. Woo! We did it! That was fun! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Okay. Didn't level up yet? Victory! Yeah, we did! Yay! Alright. Mission accomplished. Alright. 1 XP added to service record. Detailed information. Alright. So we got a total of 13,000 players online right now. Okay. Oh, on the server? Okay. That's not bad. Now let's see. So we got this loading right now. We did it! And God bless America! Oh wow. I should have done my first round. Let's see. Starting loading takes long. I could use a better recording program. Let's see. Can we do any upgrading? Let's see, we go back to... Okay, let's see. Alright, so we can get a good look at these cannons, alright. Can we upgrade these? I don't think we can yet. Points, let's see. Check the armor. Oh, okay. So, I don't think we can do much. I guess we got upgrade. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna actually choose different ports. Let's go in New York. New York, New York. There we are in New York, baby. I mean, learn little facts about these. I think I might go with the Iron Land this time. Okay, there we go. Soon another battle, then I'll leave this off. Alright. This is fun though. Players within your range, 3 out of 18. See, there's aircraft carriers, battleships, cruisers, and destroyers. Alright. And then going to cruiser, I don't exactly have a battleship yet. I'm not going to get those. That may take a while. Oh well. Someday. Someday. It'll be someday, my friends, when we will upgrade to a magnificent war machine, where we can destroy those that lie on our paths. Yeah, sorry. Oh well. This is fun though. It really is. Let's see. Oh, this is a new one. Let's see. We got... I guess I'm the only other... Polar, right? So are we at the North Pole or the South Pole?
General quarters.
Alright, let's see. Okay, so this is one. Oh, it's going to change different cannon here. Oh, it's going to change different cannon point views. Oh! Oh, okay. Okay, let's move forward.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Count 2 tangos. Switching courses. We have an enemy in our location.
Cruiser.
So just one more kill. Should be good.
Our victory is in sight.
Let's see if we got any more inside. Okay, so there's the enemy aircraft. It's being sunk. So just one more. Just one more. You can do this, man. Keep pushing forward. Forward, Stuttgart. Okay, so let's go left. Got one enemy aircraft. Damn, he's not going to be on the side of the mountain. We did it! All enemies KIA. We are good. We did it! Hooray! Another mission success. Gets to Citadel. 8 target hits, 1 destroyed. Oh wow. Well done. Back to port. Well, that was fun. Yay! We did it! I'm so excited. Like a giddy little schoolboy. Well done, man. Well done. Ooh, we level up. Yay, level 2. Let's see. Tech trees for ships and modules. Research purchasing warships. There are 4 types of ships waiting for you. Destroyers, versatile cruisers, heavily armored battleships, and aircraft carriers for strategy fans. Alright. Let's close the window. $100,000 XP. Oh, 500,000. Let's see. Before we leave off, let's see if I can purchase anything. See what ships we can get if we can purchase any. See what's like for this one. Let's see, here we go. Let's see. Yeah, Cruiser Erie. We can, after that, the Chester, Tier 2. Alright. Loaded. Oh, so that's how we do. Let's see. Let's research this. No, 100's not too much. There. Let's see if we can go see on land. So I'm gonna do for this. Looks like radar scan. The only thing to work on. So, I think that's about it. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, as you can see, I have done so good so far in the beginning of this, and you can see, unlike the other multiplayer games, I'm not a noob. And I do plan on doing more of the Let's Plays of these in the future. Yeah, but yeah, this is really fun. It really is. And so yeah, I'll leave the link to the description below so you guys can play for yourselves. And who knows, and I'll check out and I might create a division, but I don't know, maybe some other Let's Play I'll do that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you like this video, give that like button, go a little slap to the face, like your mom. And until next time, this is Rabbit's Master, signing off. Bye guys.